peace.
Oh, wait, why are you crying? Why are you crying?
I've not eaten the whole day. I've not eaten my favorite.
You've not eaten. Why are your parents?
My parents have traveled.
They have traveled.
I have someone's number that I can use. Their number is with someone. The person too has traveled. They have locked the place too. And I'm hungry.
It's okay, it's okay. What do you want to eat?
Oh, I want a lot of things, but drink and biscuit will do for the meantime.
That's what you want, right? Oh, okay, so let me go and buy for you.
Oh, Auntie, God will bless you.
Don't worry, wait for me, okay?
Continue.
Oh, Auntie, thank you. You know, I can't feed myself. I'm a small boy.
How old are you?
5 years.
Okay, you come here.
Oh, thank you, Auntie. Sometimes I put a biscuit in my ears.
Are you sure? Drink, okay? Don't worry.
What did this?
Drink all, drink all, okay? It's a try.
Madam Son.
You've not drunk, drink it. Okay, don't
I'm
cry.
okay.
Yeah, okay. Are you sure?
I want something else.
What do you want? What do you want again?
They say I shouldn't eat this for long, so I want milk.
What milk?
Milk.
There are different types of milk. Okay.
This one.
What's happening here? Are you breastfeeding him?
I'm breastfeeding him.
Oh, come on. Do you know him?
No.
See, as a matter of fact, this boy here is older than me.
Auntie, don't mind him. I'm a small boy.
Small boy.
Oh, yes.
Hey, if you joke, and what I would do?
Get that from me. Hurry up.
They're wise.
Hey.